We are a frozen food manufacturer for Chinese goods, Chinese dumplings. We needed it for our inventory control, so we have better lots verification, traceability, just overall inventory accounting controls. And also, we needed something that would pair with QuickBooks because that was our financial program. And it worked. They work well together.
So ideally, just like as you know, we're doing this time is doing the upgrading for our system from the desktop version to the web version. Definitely, it's come with a company growth with a lot more clients, more business, and plus, with catch up a lot of higher technology from our client as well. So we try to do is make the work even more efficiency internally. The desktop it do help a lot the first stage, because from not using the ERP until the first ERP, and definitely we try to take advantage about to have have the software upgraded to the newer stage, which is more like the web-based, and which you can integrate with QuickBooks Online as well as can integrate with EDI. So when the EDI coming in with a higher volume for the orders, and to transferring just putting the new sales order into a desktop become a little bit hassle. And the time turnaround will be slower because you involve more manually work to turn into data transfer by manually input. So we try to take advantage for EDI integration as well with ERP, which is both have to upgrade to the window, or we talk about the online and web version, be able to expedite the process as well as saving the time and energy for ensure the data transfer be more accurate and promptly.
Once we implemented the BatchMaster system, we were able to update or modernize the production process. So that's been very helpful, and I think it works very well for our needs. Also, the inventory, it's working exactly how we wished it to work. We have pretty accurate control of all the items.
Besides we can cut a lot of or reducing the manual input, and by the integration. And the good thing for the web is, we can do a lot faster searching function on the web version. And we'll provide flexibility as well for we don't need to stay with desktop in the office. We can pretty much easily go online to be able to process or monitor the status for the operation. I think that's another good part for the web basis because they provide a lot more flexibilities, especially as we know after COVID, and there's a lot of people might be work from home and would remote it, or maybe a little bit reducing office hours as well, but people still working as a team. So then be able to keep all the operation even more efficiency if we provide the remoting or a web-based portal, definitely will help a lot for the teamwork.
Very well. It's been pretty smooth since we're already familiar with the desktop. Moving to the web has been pretty smooth so far. I think it's been wonderful. It's worked out perfectly the way we planned it to work out, and everyone is so friendly and cooperative. And if we have any issues, technical problems, anything comes up, it's very easy to get resolved.
I think both parties have been working very well on schedulings, on communications, and as well as on the understanding. Let's put that way, because certain things, certain way, we say, hey, can we do this? Can we do that? And I think the engineering team and the support team is pretty helpful to work on for us, and get back to us on time. So overall wise, I think so far so good.